Hey, in this clip I'm half joking, but then again I'm not really. What this is about is the connection between folding a slice of pizza, a very good one by the way, and how we move in yoga postures. Any postures actually, but yoga postures in this case. When we try to fold a slice of pizza, it could basically fold or crack at any point. So we don't ever know if it points or folds just where we want it to. So similarly, when we practice yoga postures, if we're not supporting and stabilizing our body along those areas we don't want to move, and keeping that joint free, let's say the forward bend, the hip, but we're not stabilizing our lower back and our knees, then it might go anywhere, you see? Like the pizza. Stabilize when you stabilize and control the movement where you want it, and your body will be happy with it. I'm happy with the pizza. Enjoy.